Welcome to another lesson in Statistics and Probability. This is your teacher, John Glenn S. Almario. Today we will be discussing the statistics of ranks. Now, we proceed to the lesson proper. If you would recall, our Pearson correlation is denoted by the variable R. Dito naman, when it comes to the statistics or the statistics of ranks, it is denoted by the Spearman rho. So, what is the Spearman rho have to do with ranking? It is the Spearman rho or R or Spearman rho or Greek letter R. It is a statistical measure concerning with the correlation between ranks. If you could recall, correlation, may pati pala ang ranking or qualitative data na ranks, meron pala siyang correlation at may co-correlate natin siya using the Spearman-Rho formula. So, we could compute this by using the formula 1 minus the ratio between 6 multiplied by the summation of d squared over n multiplied by quantity n squared minus 1, where d is the difference between ranks and n is the number of categories between given ranks. Okay, so paano ba yan, sir? Sige, ito yung example. So, example, in a contest for Lakan ng Giginto, 2 judges gave their ratings to 8 candidates. Transform the ratings to ranks and compute the coefficient of rank correlation. Interpret the results. So, meron daw, sa isang contest daw, sa Lakan ng Giginto, meron daw 2 judges. So, yun daw yung binigay nilang score dun sa mga candidates. So, ano daw yung correlation ng dalawang scores or ranking? Yun yung kinocompute natin. Okay? So, paano ba natin gagawin yan? Unang step, get the rank of the first column designated by R1. Okay. First column to sorry. First column. So, judge 1, irarank natin mula sa pinakamataas. Gagawa tayo ng column dito, R1. So, asa ng pinakamataas dito? 98. So, yung 98, siya ang rank 1. Yan. Sumunod, 97. So, rank 2. Sumunod, 95, rank 3. Mas maganda kung hahanapin natin yung, ang magandang technique dito, hanapin natin yung pinakamataas, then pababa. Hindi yung per row tayo. Mahirapan kasi tayo okay? So, next. 95. So, 90. Ito na, 90. So, ibig sabihin, pang 4th. Pang 5, meron ba? Ayun, 89. Pang 5. Then, 88. Pang 6. Paano to, sir? Parehas. So, paano natin i-ranking yan? So, ang ranking ng dalawang yan ay dapat, ang susunod na ranking ay 7 at 8. Tama ba? Ayan. So, kung ano daw yung pagitan nila, pagitan ng 7 and 8, yun daw yung kanilang rank parehas. Bakit? Kasi pantay sila So, pagitan ng 7 at 8, ilan? 7.5. Yun yung parehas silang ranking. Saan galing yung 7.5? Kasi ang last na ranking natin ay 6. So, susunod na yung 7. Dalawa sila. So, 7 and 8. So, yung kalahati nila. Okay? O yung nasa gitna nila. Okay? Okay, good. Next. Get the rank of the third column. Designate the column as R2. Ayan. So, ito naman daw yung ira-ranking natin. Na-rank na natin itong Judge 1. Yung scores naman ng Judge 2. So, again, hanapin natin yung pinakamataas. Ayun. So, 98 ay rank 1. Then, 97, rank 2. Sumunod, ayun, 95. That is rank 3. Next, 94, rank 4. Next, 92. That is rank 5. 90, rank 6. 89, rank 7. Then 85, rank 8. Ayan. So, meron na tayong R1 saka R2. Diba? Dali lang. Next, get the difference of R1 and R2. Designate as D. So, yung difference daw, netong dalawang to. Nung R1 at R2. Paano ba yan, sir? R1 minus R2 or R2 minus R1. Pwede naman in both ways. But then again, ang common practice ko is R1 minus R2. Diretso from left to right. Okay? Good. So, 1 minus 4. Yan. Negative 3. 2 minus 2. 0. 3 minus 1. 2. 4 minus 3. 1. 5 minus 5. 0. 6 minus 6. 0. 7.5 minus 7.5. 7.5 minus 8. Negative 0.5. So, nakuha ko na yung difference ng ranks. Ano na susunod? Next step, square the result of D, designate as D squared. So, gagawa na naman ako ng column. Designate ko D squared. So, anong gagawin ko? I-square ko lang yung resulta nito. So, lahat ng lalabas dito ay positive. Again, para makuha, lahat ng sagot dito dapat ay positive. Kasi mumultiply ko lang yung value na to sa sarili niya. Okay? Good. So, 3 times 3, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So, 0, automatic, 0 na yan. 2 times 2, 4. 1 times 1, 1. 0 times 0, 0. So, 0 again, matic. 0.5 squared is 0.25. So, same lang ito. 0.25. So, nakuha na natin yung column na D squared. Ano na susunod, sir? Ang next step, get the sum of D squared. So, kung ano man yung nasa column na to, i-add ko lang. Ayan. I-add ko lang yan. Therefore, ano lalabas? Ano ang dapat na sum niyan? Ang sum na lalabas ay, very good, that is 14.5. Once na makuha ko na yung sum ng D squared ko, I can now solve for the Spearman rho using the formula 1 minus 6 times the summation of D squared divided by n multiplied by quantity n squared minus 1. So, meron na akong summation of D squared na na-compute. Ano yon? That is 14.5. Yung n ko is what? 8. Dahil 8 yun. By computing, we get 1 minus 87 over 504. So, 87 divided by 504 is 0.1726. Subtract that from 1, I will get 0.8274. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? 0.8274. So, gagamitin natin yung qualitative description ng Pearson. Since 0.8274 is nasa pagitan ng 0.75 at 1, we can say that the ranking of the judges has a very high degree of agreement. Ibig sabihin, based sa scores ng dalawang judges, parehas sila ng hinahanap sa isang candidate. Halos parehas. Okay? Kuha ba? Okay, good. Now, let's have a recap. Let's review the steps on obtaining the Spearman rho. Una, get the rank of the second column. Designate the column as R1. Then, get the rank of the third column. Designate the column as R2. Then, get the difference of R1 and R2. Designate as D. Then, square the results of D. Designate as D squared. Then, get the sum of D squared. Then, compute the Spearman rho. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Now, practice tayo.
Get ready for the next battle.
Okay, so practice tayo. Here, let us compute for the Spearman rho of the following data. So, meron tayong dalawang column. Again, X and Y. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, kukumputin natin yung Spearman rho. So, again, pause nyo muna yung video. After that, check natin kung tama yung sagot nyo, okay? I trust you guys. Good luck.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay. So, check natin kung tama yung sagot natin, ano? Paano nga ba tayo nagko-compute ng Spearman rho? So, step 1, kunin muna natin yung ranking ng unang column. Ayan. So, ayan yung rank niya. 87 yung pinakamalaki. So, 1, 84, pangalawa. 72 pangatlo. 67 pangapat. Then, 56 yung panglima. Ayan. So, next column, R2, yung ranking naman ng pangalawa. So, then again, una ay 89, siya ang pinakamataas. So, meron siyang rank 1. 87, rank 2. 85 rank 3, 78 pang-apat, then pang-lima ay 76. Next. Ano ang next? Of course, we compute for the difference of the two. So, difference itong dalawang to as D. Ayan, 2 minus 5, negative 3, 1 minus 3, negative 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, we square the results. So, negative 3 times negative 3, 9. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 1 squared is 1. 3 squared is 9. Then 1 squared is 1. Once na meron na akong d squared, i-add up ko na lang yan. So, 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 is equals to, very good, that is equals to 24. Ngayong meron na akong summation ng d squared, all I have to do is to substitute it in the Spearman-Rho formula. So, ano nga ba Spearman-Rho formula? Ayan. Rho is equals to 1 minus 6 times summation of d squared over n multiplied by n squared, quantity n squared minus 1. So, isa-substitute na lang natin. Ano nga ba ang n natin? So, bilangan natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron tayong 5. Therefore, ang n natin dito ay 5. Ayan. So, pag kinompute natin yan, simplify natin, that would be 144 multiplied by what? Or 144 divided by 120. So, 144 divided by 120, that is 1.2. So, 1 minus 1.2 is equals to negative 0.2. Ibig sabihin nito, the ranking of the two judges have a very low degree of agreement. Sir, bakit may negative? Ibig sabihin, okay lang tayo na magkaroon ng negative. Kasi, katulad nga sinabi ko, gagamitin natin yung definition or yung qualitative description ng correlation coefficient. Ayan. So, dapat, dito kasi ang in-expect nating value is from negative 1 to positive 1. So, ganun dito. Ibig sabihin, kapag mababa or negative, hindi na sila magkaparehas ng hinahanap masyado. Magkaiba yung kanilang hinahanap sa contestant or sa ranking. As you can see here, halos magkakalayo yung ranking nila. Walang walang halos magkakaparehas or even close. Okay? So, again, kung ito nakuha nyo, very good. Okay? Okay, very good. Thanks for watching my video lesson. Again, this is John Salmario saying, remember, trust the process. Bye guys. See you soon.